Hello YouTube, this is the unboxing of the Bret Hart Light Upstage Entrance bobblehead from Forever Collectibles. With shipping it came to $150 Canadian.
Brings me back to why I got into wrestling. There's a certain heritage and there's a certain pride in what you do. I want to prove beyond a shadow of all doubt who's the best wrestler in the whole World Wrestling Federation. The best.
Drive the flames high. We're driving too close to the sun, baby, and I'm dripping with desire. Start a fire, start a fire. You want the air, you want the air I breathe. I give the flames burn higher, higher. Feel my desire. You start the fire.
Brings me back to why I got into wrestling. There's a certain heritage and there's a certain pride in what you do. I want to prove beyond a shadow of all doubt who's the best wrestler in the whole World Wrestling Federation. The best.
With a soul
where I recommend to get it signed would probably be here in a white paint pen. I just hope there's enough room for it to fit. It's about the length of my pinky finger, that spot. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to buy yours from Forever Collectibles.